What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Coffs Custom. So today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your car. This is going to be a simple, DIY at home ceramic coating. I'm going to walk you through the products and how to use them. So stay tuned. Today's video was sponsored by PROJE Car Care. Huge shout out to them. Products are amazing. I'm also going to upload a review video. So they sent me a bunch of products. I got some ceramic soap, their ceramic waterless car wash, as well as the ceramic coating itself. They sent me the platinum kit. Also includes 6 microfibers and a couple of applicator pads. So I'm going to show you a picture of those. The link is in the description on where you can purchase it once you're done watching this video. So let's get started. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this on the hood. And the first step, instead of washing it, I'm going to go ahead and do the waterless wash since it's already pretty clean. There's a couple ways you can wash it. You can do a 2-bucket method, which is you put your soap and product in one bucket. In the other bucket, you're going to have just clean water. So you're going to dip your mitt in, wash your car, and then instead of putting it back into the soap bucket, you're going to put it into the clean bucket, and that's going to remove all the contaminants from the sponge, wash mitt, microfiber, whatever you're using, and you're going to dip it back in the soap again and then wash. So that's going to keep you from getting like scratches and swirls. The other thing you can do is a foam cannon, spray it on there. The foam is going to lift some of the debris off, rinse it, wash it, go through it that way. But just for today, since my car is pretty clean, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do the waterless wash, and then go ahead and ceramic coat it. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So this is their ceramic waterless wash. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to spray the hood down, let it sit for a second, and basically what you're going to do is just wipe it in, make sure it removes all the top layer debris, and then make sure it's wiped dry. So I'm going to let that sit, and then I'm just going to wipe, make sure I'm drying the area, and remove all of that dirt and debris. You can see some of it here just wipes up. So that is step 1. All right, guys, so now that first step is done, this is your second step. This is the prep spray. What this is going to do is going to remove contaminants and like debris and stuff like that, and other products that you may have already put on your vehicle. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, you're going to spray this on your area you're working with. I recommend going panel by panel. Stuff smells very good. Let that sit for a second. And you're going to want to go ahead and take another microfiber that you have, and you're going to want to wipe all of this off, making sure it's nice and clean, dry. And you're going to do that for the panel that you are currently working on. And again, this is just going to strip off any old, quick detailers or sprays or anything like that you've put on the car previously. So go ahead and do that, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, everyone, so this is step 3. This is the ceramic coating. What you're going to do is you're going to apply a small amount to a sponge, your applicator pad, just like that. And you're going to put this on in a crosshatch pattern, making sure that all of the surface is covered evenly. You can also stack this product, so you can put multiple layers on. What that's going to do is that's going to increase the length that the product's good for, as well as add more shine. So I'm going to start here, and you're going to go just like this. And like I said, I recommend doing this panel by panel, but then come back, go over it in the opposite direction, and I will show you what it starts to look like. You let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then you go ahead and wipe it off with a microfiber. All right, guys, so as it sits, it almost looks like it starts to repel itself, but that's the look that you're achieving. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your microfiber, and you're just going to wipe that off. Just going to come over it. I wouldn't recommend going in circular motions because that creates swirls. Just nice straight lines. And you're gonna wipe it off, and you're gonna do that for the entire car. All right, so this is how well the product works. I mean, this is amazing stuff. You can even see the shine it leaves on my clear bra. I have my bra here, and when I zoom out and just bring it out this way, you can barely even tell that's there. Product is amazing. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, reach out to me if you have any questions. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ, and follow Project Car Care on Instagram. Awesome company. I highly recommend that, and I would definitely order again. Thanks, guys. Be cool and stay safe.